the 1/8 machete. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. This is the 1/8 machete. Alright, not to be confused with the 1/7. I also have some 1/7s. As you can see, it is significantly bigger. This is an 18-inch machete. It is about 1/8 of an inch thick, so it is not as thick as the 1/7. You can see that right there, not as thick. Alright, so this is about 1/4 of an inch, this is about 1/8 of an inch, but this has very, very good balance. So stick around to the end of the video, we'll talk about how you can get one of these. I hope you appreciated that presentation. Again, this is the 1/8 machete. It is a large 22-inch overall machete. It is an 1/8 of an inch thick. It does have a shallow saber grind, and again, this is a satin finish. You can also get it in gun blue if you like, and it does have a very nice ergonomic thick handle. It also has my maker's mark on there as well, if you can see that right there. Okay, it will come with a Kydex sheath. The Kydex sheath will be a little bit looser than what I normally do, obviously, because when you use machetes, and that's what I found out about machetes, is that all that tree sap and gunk kind of sticks to the machete. And if your machete is too tight or the sheath is too tight, it won't get in there and you'll wind up destroying the sheath. So I gave about, I don't know, 1/1000th of an inch, a little bit more, or a couple layers of tape to make sure that it will fit inside the sheath. And of course, make sure that you clean this sucker. All right, again, this is 1095 high carbon steel, so it is you still have to take care of it, you have to maintain it. Just trying to wipe all the fingerprints off of it, but it's super sharp. And again, this is more of a tactical machete. You can use it for vines, you could use it for a little bit thick logs, that kind of thing, if you wanted to, but this is kind of how they are going to come around. This is how they're going to look. All right, very large tactical machete. I wanted to thank Richard from Oklahoma. He was the first one that purchased one of these from the shop, so thank you very much. He's going to get the first one. I think it came out great. Has a really nice balance between the long blade and the heavy handle. So really nice balance, easy to maneuver, easy to move, that kind of thing. So I do like it. All right. Shouldn't tire yourself out too much, obviously, because it's not a very heavy machete, but it does have some girth on the spine, so it's not going to wobble around on you. I do have many of them, all right? So these are all back from heat treat. If you're interested, go to threeriverblades.com and make sure you pick one up. They're not easy to make. They are not easy to make. I have to kind of get a special jig with a longer table for my grinder to make these. These are all done by hand. I don't have any machines other than having them water jetted and sent to me, and I got to do all the other stuff. So hope you guys appreciate the amount of work that I have to do to make one of these, especially the big long ones, if you know what I'm talking about. All right, this is a big chopping machete. All right, so I'm going to send this out to Richard. Hopefully he enjoys it. Maybe he'll get some videos of it. Again, awesome sheet that comes with it. If you want one of these, please go to threeriverblades.com, check it out. Like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, guys. It really helps the algorithms. Thank you very much for being very patient with me. I think this purchase was in March. All right, so March, April, May, June, it's now 4 months. I am taking a lot of time on my vacation to catch up with blade orders, so I hope you appreciate that. Like and subscribe, do all that good stuff. If you want to watch videos like this before anybody else, go to Patreon. It only costs you $1 a month. Help support me, help support the channel. If you want to do it for free, just check out all the links I have down below, put some comments. All right, guys, thank you very much, and as always, keep grinding.